So hey guys, welcome back. Firstly, I will increase my levels. I make the image pop by dragging down the highlights and increasing the contrast. So secondly, I will go to my skin tone. I'll just play with it a little bit and make sure everything looks even and nice. Oh yeah, meet Mary Jane. This is my model. I think her birthday is coming up, but she just came to shoot. However, I see she's a formidable client. She'll be coming back. She's doing it for quite a while right now. Her link is in the description below. So I just look for other color correction and basic correction tools. Then I go to my exposure, increase my contrast a little bit. I worked on my shadows and my brightness, and I still work on the general exposure of the picture. I made it a little bit darker so it will have this pop to it. You know, she's a dark skin model. Most of the color grading is going to be done afterwards in Photoshop. So moving straight to I think I added a little bit of structure. Just basically play with all the sliders till you see what you have. There's no definite adjustment to distance. Do you get me? I didn't really touch my curves. And then I added a little bit of structure to give it this pop. I think 4% of structure. Then just check the image in general. Then I created a new variant to check my before and after. So this is after, this is like where we are, and this is what was before, shoot out of camera. So you see, like the adjustment was like minute but effective, you understand? So right now I'm gonna edit with Photoshop. Edit with Photoshop, so that to keep all the settings and adjustments you've done. PSD, 16 bits, Adobe, and all the essential settings that you have to open it with. So basically that's just it. Then we speed run this and show you guys. Basically then I just open the Photoshop and copy and paste all the settings in the rest images, so that it's going to have the same look to them. So speed ramping, heading over to how I crop this image. So heading over to cropping, basically I just crop this image 4:5, the normal Instagram standard. Then you see that I straightened it. I looked for a straight line in the image, even if the straight line is not in the frame. Then I use it to get my straightening angle. That's basically what I did for all the images, just straightening it. Compose the image. I make sure she was in the middle most of the images, and that's basically it. So in the next video I'm going to show you guys how I removed the backgrounds, the distractions in the background. That's my light and my reflector. Secondly, this image was shot with a 7-foot parabolic in front of her, and behind the 120 cm octa box for her back and fill light. So I think this brings us to the end of this table, end of this video. I'm trying to keep the video as short as possible because it's gonna be in part, so it's not gonna bore you guys out. So do well to like, subscribe, and share. Drop a comment if you think I'm missing something out, or if you see me doing something that you don't like. Peace out, till my next video.